Hello viewers, it's Monday evening, 6th of the 10th 2025. In my front room, guarantee there's no projectors in operation, all being filmed on my web camera again. I can assure you, across from where I live, that window is in complete darkness. But yet it's illuminating, and as you can see there's something in front of it, and there's some figures as well, what you can clearly see. There's something in front of the building. They do want this filming. They are highly advanced, using very advanced technology.
Amanda's afro-ski-inspired jam will be bursting with Christmas flavours and will sandwich her iced vanilla shortbread hearts. That jam sounds delicious. It is delicious. If nothing else, you'll like the jam. No, we're planning on liking everything, Amanda. I'll do my best. Hopefully, they'll come out okay. In fact, I'm hoping for better than that. I hope they'll come out perfect. But every minute in the oven, give them another 2 minutes. Means less baking and cooling time for their second batch of biscuits. Dieses Kind ist stressful now. You excited for German Week? No. Why would you be excited for German Week? I'd be excited for German Week because I was raised by a German family. Was you? Yeah. In a forest in Munich. In a forest? I say family, it was a family of wolves. That's it. Take them out. As the first batch of biscuits, my coffee awards are ready. Perfect. I feel like these are definitely not going to come off of the paper. Make way for the second.
I'll just keep taking short recordings and see what happens over the evening.
The bakers must now juggle preparing their decorative goods.
Here in Salino decorations with Raul.
I'm going to 10% white chocolate. In this weather.
We're keeping watch well then. The biscuits still in the oven.
You can obviously see something in this area, and you can see there's some life forms there. Something here, and it's in front of that building. They are allowing for this to be filmed. I can show you, I can't see nothing apart from lawns.